What if success isn't about talent, but about having the right principles? Ray Dalio, founder of Bridgewater Associates, built one of the most successful hedge funds in the world. But his success didn't come from avoiding mistakes. It came from turning mistakes into principles. In this summary, you'll learn how principles can transform your life and work. Part 1. Where it all begins. Pain and reflection. Dalio discovered a powerful formula. Pain plus reflection equals progress. Early in his career, he made a confident prediction that turned out completely wrong. He lost his business, his money, and his reputation. But instead of blaming others, he reflected deeply. He realized his biggest enemy was his own ego. So he started documenting his decisions, analyzing mistakes, and creating clear rules to avoid repeating them. These rules became his principles, and those principles rebuilt his success. Part 2. Life Principles. Learn to deal with reality. Dalio says the most important skill is facing reality honestly. Most people fail not because reality is hard, but because they refuse to see it clearly. He introduced a simple 5-step process. First, set clear goals. Second, identify problems honestly. Third, find the root cause. Fourth, design solutions. And fifth, repeat and improve. This turns life into a system for continuous growth. Another key lesson is radical open-mindedness. You must accept that you can be wrong, because the fastest learners win. Part 3. Work Principles. Build systems, not guesswork. Dalio didn't rely on intuition. He built systems. His company operated on radical truth and radical transparency. Ideas were judged by their quality, not by hierarchy. Mistakes were studied, not hidden. This created an idea meritocracy where the best ideas win. He also believed success comes from putting the right people in the right roles and designing systems that produce consistent results. Because success is not random, it is engineered. Final takeaway. The biggest lesson of principles is this: life and success can be designed. When you face reality, learn from mistakes, and turn lessons into clear principles, you stop reacting emotionally and start acting intelligently. Over time, these principles become your greatest advantage. This audio only scratches the surface. To unlock the complete structured summary, powerful insights, and practical frameworks, visit concisereading.com and download the full PDF summary of Principles by Ray Dalio. Transform your thinking. Design your success. Visit concisereading.com.